Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to see how we can add CSS to a HTML document. So there are three ways we can add CSS to one HTML. First of all, we can use the external CSS. So inside the current directory we can create one file called style.css. So this is one external CSS, and inside that CSS we can target one element and we can declare the CSS properties. Like we can set the background color to red. And now once we have written the external CSS, we have to link that CSS to our HTML documents. So we have to use the link element and we have to link to the style.css. And you can see the background color has been changed to red. So the main advantage of using the external CSS is that whenever we wanted to change any style, then we can change in one place and the changes will be reflected to multiple web pages. Now there is second way we can add CSS to the HTML document. We can use the internal CSS. So inside the head element we can use the style tag, and inside of the style tag we can select one element and we can add the CSS property. Like we can set the background color to green. So the internal CSS is mainly used when some single HTML page has a unique style. And there is one third way we can add CSS to one HTML document. So inside the h1 tag we can use the inline CSS. So we can use the style attribute and we can set the background color to yellow. So the internal CSS is mainly used to apply style for a single element. So you can see there are three ways we can add CSS to the HTML document. We can use the external CSS using the style.css, or we can use the internal CSS, and also we can use the inline CSS. So among three of these, inline CSS has the highest priority, and then the internal CSS and external CSS. And then we have the browser default. So whenever we do not specify any of those styles, then the browser have some default CSS properties. They will be applied to all of those HTML elements. So the inline CSS has the highest priority, so it will override the internal CSS, external CSS, and also the browser defaults. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.